Okay, to the students, after we know about how to criticize the research work, okay, the research study. And actually, the last video we know a lot of about what points or like what point of view or what elements are you have to or know and consider as being like are being considered, being criticized. Okay, so now we will scrutinize into the actual point and the relationship between each point. Okay, let's move. Okay, for the research critique. Okay, the first thing that the student need to detect is the title, author, date, and publication. For the titles, what is a good title? What can make a good title? A good title should contain everything that the readers want to know. Okay, it is the good point and the important point for the reader, or it can facilitate the reader to find the right or the exact studies to be read. Okay, for it should show the variables, sample groups, methodology, and setting. Okay, and for the date and publication is also just to know the quality and to know is that out of date or not. For the second one, it is the objectives. Oh, the objectives tell you everything what the researchers want to conduct. Okay, and the objectives are the core or the main point that can answer every part of the dissertation or like an essay. Yeah. Next, definitions. Definition of all variables. Okay, why we need to know that? Because we need to know that the definition of terms can answer the objectives or not. And the definition can be the powerful tools to create like a questionnaire or self-report like this, or like an interview guideline. And next, this is the picture of the whole research. It is a conceptual framework. The conceptual framework, you need to detect that the variables are dependent variables and independent variables is related to each other or not, and it is related to the objectives or not. Next, this part is very big. This is our literature review. You have to know is strong or weak, or because of it can review our variables, the methodology, past research or not, and is this coincident with other part of the research or not. For the next part is like a methodology. What is the methodology to be detected? Okay, the methodology. Okay, you should know the methodology or how to collect data or the method of this research. That is fit. Does it fit the objectives or not? That fit the population, samples, key informant or not. Okay, the methodology includes like your population, sampling, key informant like this, and also talk about the quality of the research tools, like validity and reliability. Okay, next. After that, we move to our research findings. we have to know and understand and try to go through our interpretation of the researchers, that he or she can interpret the findings correctly or not. Next, conclusions. In the part of the conclusions you have to find, or you have to examine the ability of the researcher, that he or she can make a good conclusion or not. The good conclusion means the researcher can write their findings and try to refer to their theories, concepts, and the past papers. Next, last but not least, about the recommendation and contributions. Okay, research recommendation is very important part for the future research, okay, and also the research contribution. However, don't forget to check the references part, because all of the work, or of the books, or of the papers, journals should be included into this part, and check their style of the writing. Okay, it's normally in here we follow APA style. And now I think everyone understand more about how to criticize or to make a research critique. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye.